Welcome to our deep dive into Buxfer, a powerful tool that brings clarity to your personal finances. Buxfer helps manage your money, track your expenses, set budgets, and even forecast your future spending. It's a cloud-based solution, meaning you can access your financial data from anywhere, anytime. Whether you're an individual or a family, Buxfer aims to simplify your financial life. Buxfer boasts several key features. Its expense tracking tool categorizes your spending, giving you a clear picture of where your money goes. The budgeting feature allows you to set spending limits for each category. Buxfer also supports bill tracking and reminders, ensuring you never miss a payment. Its unique forecasting tool predicts your future cash flow based on your past spending. Additionally, Buxfer supports investment tracking and multi-currency transactions. Buxfer offers a free tier, which includes basic features like manual expense tracking and budgeting. For more advanced features, there are three paid plans, Plus, Pro, and Ultra. Plus costs $199 per month, Pro is $399 per month, and Ultra is $499 per month. The paid plans offer features like automatic bank sync, investment tracking, and unlimited budgets. They also remove the ads that come with the free version. Buxfair is ideal for individuals and families seeking a comprehensive overview of their finances. It's particularly useful for those juggling multiple accounts and currencies. Buxfair is also great for people who want to set and stick to budgets. If you're looking to track investments alongside regular expenses, Buxfer could be a good fit. And if you're interested in predicting your future financial health based on past behavior, Buxfer's forecasting tool is a standout feature. Buxfer shines with its wide range of features, all within a user-friendly interface. It supports multi-currency transactions, a boon for those dealing with international finances. The automatic bank sync feature saves time and reduces the chances of manual entry errors. The unique forecasting tool provides valuable insights into your future financial health. Also, the ability to track investments alongside regular expenses is a big plus. Despite its strengths, Buxfer has a few limitations. The free version is ad-supported and lacks some advanced features. The forecasting tool, while powerful, requires accurate and consistent data input to be effective. Some users have reported issues with bank synchronization, and customer support response times have been criticized. Additionally, Buxfer doesn't offer a dedicated tax reporting feature. Buxfer offers a comprehensive suite of tools to manage your personal finances. Its wide range of features, user-friendly interface, and multi-currency support are major strengths. However, the limitations of the free version, the need for consistent data input, and occasional synchronization issues are points to consider. Overall, Buxfer is a powerful tool for gaining control over your finances, but it may not be perfect for everyone. Thank you for watching our analysis of Buxfer. We hope this was helpful in your search for the right personal finance tool. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more reviews and insights into various financial tools and services. Until next time, happy budgeting!